have the fun panel. That's your flamethrower, your fuel, your jet lights, your CO2, everything. This right here is like your dial pad. You type in the year you want to go to and it'll automatically send you. Right here, you got different timelines, 1985, 2000, 2015. You decide where you want to go. This is a Tesla time machine straight out of the Back to the Future.
Surprise, motherfucker.